Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I know that I should be doing robotics videos, but today's video is going to be something a little different. I got a Lionel Polar Express train set, and I thought, hey, that's, up the alley of, robotics. It's something that's mechanical, it's something that moves by itself. So today I thought I would unbox for you that train set and let you see what it looks like. So if you want to see that, stay with me. Hey guys, this is Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for checking out my channel and this video. If you love robotics and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so this box that it came in, I got this from Amazon, is so big it takes up the whole table. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Okay, so it's one of those boxes inside of a box. Okay, and let's go ahead and figure out how to get this part open now. Oh. Okay guys, so there we go, the Polar Express. So it comes with 38 pieces. And there is the ready to play. Comes with bell included, sound effects. Yeah, check that out. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like inside. This is a good way to go if you ever want a Lionel set and you don't want to spend a small fortune, because I know those Lionel sets can get really pricey. So I'll leave you the link to the Amazon link for this. So I ended up paying around $70 plus some tax for this. So let's go ahead and okay, so it comes with the engine here. Looks like a coal car. And then the two Polar Express like sleeping cars. There's the remote. And then there comes with all the track there. So what I'll go ahead and do now, oh, there's your bell. So let's go ahead and take this all out and line this up so you can see everything. Okay, I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed how big this is. I mean, look at my hand. I was expecting this smaller version of this, so this is quite cool. This is a pleasant surprise. You know, sometimes you look at something and you assume it's going to be, you know, a lot larger than you thought. I don't know. I was expecting something, you know. Look at the size of this engine. I mean, come on, that's my hand here. I was thinking it was going to be something, you know, maybe this size. I don't know. But here you go. There's the cars. I mean, that's well over a foot right there. That's pretty cool. And then all the track, you got some curved and some straight track right here. And there's the engine. There's the coal, like I said, the coal car that's going to go behind that. There's your remote. So there's your bell, your whistle, and then some voice effects. And then there's your forward and backwards. So all I got to do now is get some, find 6C batteries, and I believe 3 AAA batteries, and we should be good to go to set this guy up. And then the next time, the bell. And then the next time, the voice. Okay guys, so I thought you just would like and enjoy unboxing and seeing what this Polar Express train looked like. It's just something cool. I'm just into vehicles. I'm into anything engineering, anything that just moves. And it's just one of those cool things where, like I said, I've just always wanted a Lionel train set. So hopefully you've enjoyed that unboxing and seeing that it worked fine, and hopefully you're just enjoying the unboxing and seeing what that looks like. So for those of you that would possibly want to purchase this, like I said, I'm going to leave you the Amazon link to it, but you can probably get this I think I've seen this on eBay too. So just one of those things where I thought you might want to see it and, be able to enjoy seeing how cool it can look. So, all right, guys, hopefully you are still having fun, staying safe. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.